DIY oil change for a 2016 CRV. Step 1. Start that car, let it warm up. Pop the hood. Release the latch. Jack it up. Jack stands for safety. Then head under the car and look for the oil drain plug. And with a 17mm lefty-loosey, loosen that thing up. Unscrew it. Let the oil drain out. Replace the crush washer. Put it back in. Torque it to spec. I go 30 foot-pounds. Perfect. Take off your oil filter. Clean up your area. Make sure the gasket from the oil filter is not still in the car. That'll cause a leak in the future. Put some oil around the gasket on your oil filter, and I fill mine up just a little bit before I put it on the car. Make sure the threads are not cross-threaded here. And torque to spec. I tighten mine hand tight. And I start with 4.5 quarts of 0W20 Mobil 1 full synthetic. Place your fill cap, start the car, and let it run for a few minutes. While it's running, head back under the car, check for any leaks. All good there, and all good there. Turn it off, check the oil level. Looks a little low. I'll add a little bit. That's it. Oil change is done. Head inside, go to your menu so you can change your oil life percentage. Just go into your menu, hit vehicle information, maintenance info, and then we're set. Thanks for watching.